Goes all the way back there too. Have to make a sharp turn. Come down.
You can't be riding around.
For sure. Alrighty, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a good day today. It is a beautiful day to be riding some dirt bikes. The weather's like perfect. Today we're going to be doing another little urban video. I found a couple spots that were like right next to my house. I don't know how I never noticed them before, so we're going to check out those new spots today. But before I hop on the bike, guys, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I'm about to hit 6,000 subscribers. And I do want to say, even though that the weather's going to be getting cold here in Illinois pretty soon, I'm still going to try to get a video out a week. There is a couple indoor tracks by where we live, so I'll still be able to hit those, and I'm sure we'll have nice days here and there, so I'll be able to stack content on those days. Turn this on. Let's go hit that new spot that I was talking to you guys about. Alright, this is the OG spot. This is like my favorite jump that's real close to my house. The only thing that's a little weird is you have to go up this little bump before you hit it. Let's hit it one more time. I want to start getting third-person clips so you guys can see how big a lot of this stuff is. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see in the videos. Yes, sir. Yo, check out this, guys. New spot. Whew, that kicked me a little weird. Slow down a bit. Brings you into this trail. Gotta go right back out, hit it the other way, and you can come up here, turn around. This brings you to the bigger ramp over here. Woo, 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 woo. Straight to flat though. What do we got over here? What is these little... Looks like a jail in here, dude. What the hell is this? Oh shit. There's a cow in there. Some graffiti. Trash can. Let's look up from over this side. I don't know if you guys can really see in there, but it looks creepy. Oh my gosh. Oh God. Alright, let's hit the little whoopies. So guys, I heard there's a little spot over here where you can like go like under a bridge, and I think there's a bunch of graffiti there and stuff, so I'm gonna go check it out. I think it's right at the end of this path. Alright, here we are, guys. Never been back here, but I know there's some sort of bridge or something. Dang. This is sick. Yo, this is dope. Goes all the way back there too. This must be like a old river, like an overflow thing or something. Yeah, dude, this is literally like a drained out river. What? I see. It brings you back over here to like the woods trails. Look, you might go rip those. Alright, boys, we made it to the woods. Let's go hit this little woods jump that's over here. Show you it. It is right here. It's hard because you have to like come from this way, slow down, and turn right into this roller. And this thing's actually tall. I mean, this is probably a good 30-20 foot drop. And then you hit the ramp right here. The only thing that sucks is it's an up landing, so it feels like super weird. There's not a whole lot of space. But yes, you come over here, you have to make a sharp turn, come down, kind of land in that up landing, which is kind of weird, but All right, boys, let's rip this a little bit. Guys, next week I'm gonna be trying to go to a track so I can get some track footage for you guys. Ooh, look at this. Yo, they went all out. This is sick. They got Pennywise. Looks like they're all different types of clowns, actually. Guys, another thing that I wanted to bring up is I just started my TikTok, but the only thing is it's not the same exact name as my YouTube channel, which is DylanDoes490. So I was making my TikTok, I type in like that name, you know what I mean? And then it says names taken, so I'm like, what the hell? Like, who would have that name? You know what I mean? It's a super random name. But then I go to look, someone already jacked my name, like took my profile picture and basically made their own TikTok of me. So now instead of DylanDoes490, it's DylanDoes49. I'll pop a picture on the screen so you guys can see. Yo, this jump from last week's still here. Let's go. Let's hit this thing. It's such just like a random jump. It's fun though. I want to go around and hit that one more time. We're passing the Y, so might as well hit this. Oh my gosh, this wind is ridiculous. Cooks, dude. Actually cooks. There's usually so many workers over here. I'm surprised no one's out here today. I think I found a little dirt jump over here though. Let's check it out. A little something. Not that big of a jump, but this guy's probably like, what is this guy doing, bro? It's always fun riding on some fresh dirt. What's going on, man?
But you can't be riding around.
For sure. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I got you, dude. No problem. I'll leave right now.
All right, thank you.
Cool, man. You have a good day.
You too.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Well, boys, we lasted longer than I thought out here.